After years of delays, former President Alvaro Uribe faced a judge for the first time on charges of witness bribery and procedural fraud, an unprecedented case for a former Colombian leader. Uribe denies wrongdoing, calling the trial politically motivated.
I don't intend to replace my lawyers. I didn't bribe or order the bribery of witnesses. I didn't deceive justice. In this trial, we will prove that there was a politically motivated case against me.
The case stems from allegations that Uribe, through intermediaries, pressured witnesses to retract statements linking him to right-wing paramilitary groups. Uribe, Colombia's most powerful and divisive political figure, governed from 2002 to 2010. His hardline security policies significantly weakened leftist guerrillas and boosted the economy, but were overshadowed by human rights violations, including extrajudicial killings of civilians and ties to paramilitary groups. Outside the court, dozens of supporters protested in his defense.
These accusations stem from his political enemies. We're citizens who lived through the violence, and we're here supporting President Uribe because we're concerned about the situation in the country. He was the only one who came to restore order at a time when we couldn't even leave the city.
Uribe's lawyer called for the judge's recusal, claiming bias, another attempt to stall proceedings. But political analyst Sergio Guzman says there's no evidence of that.
This trial is not about Uribe's legacy, what he did as president, or his figure as a historical figure in Colombia. It's about a very specific case of conspiracy and witness tampering and bribery that happened after he left office. And so where the facts leads us is what the courts are set to investigate, and I think it's important to step back and let the judicial process work its way.
If found guilty, Uribe could face up to 12 years in prison, but the clock is ticking. If there's no verdict by next October, the case could expire, putting pressure on the courts to move fast after years of legal and political hurdles. Alessandro Rampietti, Al Jazeera, Bogota.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel to get the latest news from Al Jazeera.